That's Life, and welcome back to another 5 and Below Carebear haul. These he got in a little Ross haul. So yeah, I guess he's just going to sport these the rest of the day, aren't you? For all the filming. Hoping I post my Ross haul before this one, so if not, here's a little surprise. But,
Surprise!
So I've got very little in my 5 and Below haul today, but also I got this back last December, but I've noticed my 5 and Below still has a few of these left. So if you want one of these, go look at your 5 and Below. Alright, so first thing I want to show is these freaking slippers. I love these so much. What size are these? 7, 8. They're medium large.
Can I open them?
I guess I didn't look at the sizes when I got them, but 8 would probably be just fine.
I'll film.
You gonna try and steal my slippers?
Yeah.
Sissy wants to try them on.
Yeah, they had one more.
Oh, I hate all these dang barbs. You have no idea.
We hate them.
Okay, we've been in a sassy mood all day today. You have to forgive us. What are you doing? I'm gonna put the other one on. What? Keep your feet down.
Oh, and today we have special guests.
Special guest? Who's our special guest? Oh, well, Sneakers, of course. She blends in with the couch, don't you?
And Bun Bun.
Yeah, and that's Bun Bun.
Can I try
his name is Adam.
On there?
You want to try on my slippers?
Yeah.
Somebody squished them.
I'm going to take them from you.
Somebody squished them.
No.
No. Oh, no, look. This is my Funshine. Okay, so I've been collecting the tiny Carebears at Walmart. At 5 and Below, they got even more that Walmart didn't have. So, here is Funshine. Of course.
It actually fits good.
Of course, the box had to get a little squished. I don't know what happened.
Always gets a little color
But yeah,
blind.
there he is. Alright, and this. For people who like iPhones, and you have an Apple Watch, this one fits a 42, 44, 45 Apple Watch. I don't have any of those. But I do like this.
But it's Carebear.
And I do have a watch somewhere with a pink band, and when I can find it, I'm going to see if it fits it. It's not Apple, but it'll work. I'm not going to open this yet, just in case. Okay, guys.
Can I show them this?
This is for
Can I show them this?
a different video, but I'm showing you in this video because it is from 5 and Below. Here's a little secret. And hopefully I get it filmed before I post this, and I post this after. But I've got a plan. It's a little prank on my dad. So my dad's been walking around with a hole in his pants right on his butt. He has. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on there. The other day, I was doing his laundry. Just randomly, I was helping them out, and I was doing a load of my parents' laundry. And I found those pair of pants. And my mom has already agreed to this and thought it was a great idea. So I'm going to slap it on there. I'm going to iron it on real quick. And I hope he puts them on and wears them to work without even realizing. Or at least the town or something. But I think it'll be perfect. So we're going to turn my dad into a Carebear. That's the goal.
Carebear.
But yep, that's the plan. Alright, and these are
Carebear
Carebear
socks.
socks. And I'll go ahead and open these. One second. You can right after I show them the Carebear socks, honey.
Oh, man.
I'm going to go ahead and open these because I love socks. And my husband always steals my socks. So.
Will you do it to his too?
I never wear his socks. You know, he takes my socks, proceeds to stretch them out, and then I can't wear them no more. So they become his socks. And he stole a few of my Carebear ones, and I'm not happy about it.
Me either. I have a blue tongue.
It's okay. A blue tongue. He's been eating candy like crazy. yesterday was Halloween for us. I don't know when you'll see this. But, yeah, so here is Carebear. Ta-da! Same on both sides, which is cute.
After that.
And then the other socks, which is Funshine. So, yeah, those are the socks. And Riley wants to show you what we also found.
Sticker book.
Yes, a sticker book. And this one actually has different pages. You know how Five and Below is with their stickers sometimes. You buy these and they say like 4 pages, right? But they don't have, you know,
different pages.
Different pages. So it's the same page, repeat. But here, we'll flip through them.
Ta-da!
Well, if I can. This one's my favorite.
Yeah, because it's got like a gold.
That's one of the reasons I got it.
And it's Funshine.
Some of them repeat. I don't know. Could be.
Yeah. This one went with the second one.
Well, at least there is some different ones.
Oh, that's all of them.
And then another page of Funshine.
Okay, I think it's going to repeat after this.
Which I love Funshine.
Which, you would die over Funshine.
No, Funshine is my favorite Care Bear. Yeah.
And
another
for
grumpy
the Care
page.
Bears.
And then, that's all the stickers. Okay. So it looks like maybe 4 different pages, and then they're on repeat or something.
Yeah.
I don't know, something like that. But there's that. And then also, I got 2 more of those little Care Bears. Here is Hopeful Heart Bear. This is one of my favorites too. I love this one. I've got like the white version of this one.
I like the sparkly one.
Yeah. So there it is.
Wow.
So cute. Yeah, but something happened to my boxes. My bag must have got squished. Alright, what do you have? The Little Earth Bear. And, okay, I'm pretty sure I got that one from Walmart, and I've got it mixed up, but I have seen it at Five and Below, too. So, yeah.
She might have got it at Walmart or Five and Below.
I'm pretty sure I got it at Walmart, because I remember going crazy about it when they came out with it, and I was like, oh my god, it's a new Care Bear. And I had to show everyone. Well, that is the one I got from Walmart. I'm pretty sure now. But yeah, they are so freaking cute.
Look at the badge.
So, yeah. Which one is that? I always forget. I Care Bear. So these are the 3 micro bears that we got today. Oops, I got one upside down.
Hold on. Catch one?
Of course. But yeah. Thank you guys.
Sunshine, Hopeful Heart.
Yeah, and then I Care Bear.
And I Carebear.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.
Bye.